Welcome to Brock's Boys, Aaron and Jordan. Got a package in the mail yesterday from Brew Dogs. They make beer. Okay, so I got a package, one box. With a green label. UPS ground. So it says 102. This is a 2-pound box, but 102. So the other package is somewhere. And shout out to my neighbor about 5 doors up. I guess I put the wrong address, but he brought it to my house last night. I got a nice hat with the Brew Dogs on it. Brew Dogs. So Brew Dog beer. And they even put it inside the hat. It's on there, embroidered. Okay. And so I'll make this a two-part series when I get the other package. So there you go. So this is all going into my office. I got an office. Makes the flag. Okay, so I'm gonna hang it up in my office. And then a mug. Design forward. Okay. I know I'm getting a call from Aaron and Jordan. So I'm going to show this real quick and stop. This had a nice cup. Yeah. In China, hand wash recommended. So don't put it in the dishwasher. Slide the cap and sip through it. Or remove the cap and guzzle. So Brew Dogs, thank you very much. And yeah, thank you for watching Brock's Boys, Aaron and Jordan. And by my outfit, you can tell we're going to Disneyland. So the girls are probably there. And we'll be there soon. Brock's Boys is out.